Estimate products, 2-digit by 2-digit. To estimate the product, we can use two methods, rounding and compatible numbers. Let's recall the rounding rules. First, we underline the place value that we are rounding to. We use the digit to its right to help us out. If the digit to its right is a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, the underlined digit stays the same and all the digits to its right become zeros. If the digit to its right is a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the underlined digit goes up one more and all the digits to its right become zeros. Compatible numbers are friendly numbers that are easy to compute mentally. We all know compatible numbers because they are so easy to calculate. Numbers like 25 remind us of real life because of quarters. 2 quarters equals 50 cents, because 25 times 2 equals 50. 3 quarters equals 75 cents, because 25 times 3 equals 75, and so on. Let's estimate 34 times 67 by rounding. Step 1. Round each factor to the nearest 10. 34 rounds to 30. 67 rounds to 70 because 7 is greater than or more than 5. Step 2. Rewrite the problem using the rounded numbers. 30 times 70. Step 3. Use mental math. We know that 3 times 7 equals 21, so to find 30 times 70, we take 21 and we add 2 zeros. So 34 times 67 is about 2,100. Let's estimate 77 times 24 using compatible numbers. Step 1. Use compatible numbers. Instead of 77, we use 80. Instead of 24, we use 25. These numbers are friendly numbers, so they are easy to compute mentally. Step 2. To solve 80 times 25, we first have to solve 8 times 25. However, solving 8 times 25 in your head is also quite difficult. You can use 4 times 25 equals 100 to find 8 times 25. 8 times 25 is 2 times 4 times 25, so it equals 200. Step 3. Use mental math. To find 80 times 25, we take 8 times 25 and we add a 0. So 80 times 25 equals 2,000. 77 times 24 is about 2,000. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. For more videos like this, please subscribe.